Indian Railways suburban and long distance services do a phenomenal task in cities like Mumbai and smaller cities. Railways will be encouraged to invest more in suburban railways through special purpose vehicle structure like rapid regional transport system proposed on the Delhi Meerut route. I propose to enhance the metro railway initiative by encouraging more PPP initiatives and ensuring completion of sanctioned works while supporting transit oriented development to ensure commercial activity around transit bulbs. We are in the process of completing the dedicated freight corridor project will be free up some of the existing railways network for passenger trains. The government will bring in a new national education policy to transform India's higher education system to one of the global best education systems. The new policy processes major changes in both school and higher education, among others better governance system and bringing greater focus on research and innovation. We propose to establish a national research foundation to fund, coordinate and promote research in the country. NRF will assimilate the research grants being given by various ministries independent of each research other. NRF will ensure that the overall research ecosystem in the country is strengthened with focus on identified thrust areas relevant to our national priorities and towards basic science without duplication of effort and expenditure. We would work out a very progressive and research oriented structure for NRF. The funds available with all ministries will be integrated in NRF. This would be adequately supplemented with additional funds. Massive online open courses through the Swayam initiative have helped bridge the digital divide for disadvantaged section of the students community to upgrade the quality of teaching. The global initiative of academic network program in higher education was started aimed